This video will cover the installation and the cleaning operation of Ccleaner. It does a variety of other important things to keep your computer running in good form. So let's get started. First, let's download Ccleaner. Open Firefox or the browser of your choice and navigate to ccleaner.com. Once you're on that page, click the free download button, and on the next page under the free column, click Download. Save the file to your computer. Move your arrow to the top of the Firefox window and click the download arrow. Now click the Ccleaner setup file. Click the Install button. Uncheck the View Release Notes. Now close Firefox and all of the browsers and programs that you might have open. And click Run Cleaner. Now let's tell Ccleaner what you want it to clean by checking or unchecking the boxes in the list. Checked boxes will be cleaned. Unchecked boxes will be ignored. For Firefox and other browsers, I suggest you leave temporary internet files checked and internet cache checked, and uncheck the rest. Be sure to make your choices to both the Windows list and the Applications list. When you finish making choices, click Run Cleaner button. Wait until the program reaches 100%. This may take a few minutes. The cleaning is now finished. Ccleaner will remember your settings the next time you run it. I hope this short video has helped you in some way. And thanks for watching.